Welcome to Legoland Windsor as we have a look at Mini Figure Speedway, the brand new, or two brand new coasters coming your way in 2024. We have no opening time for them yet, but it is expected to be around the May time. We haven't got track completed yet, but things are taking shape and other things have happened since we were last here. So we're going to give you an update of what's going on the site so we can show you these two Sierra coasters, these like Boomerang ones, which are coming together. They look fantastic. I think the theme will be brilliant, and I love the way that it sits on the hill sort of looking down. The views are going to be something really different to what was there before. Now, Kurt was here on New Year's Day, so we'll throw in a bit of footage of what he took New Year's Day as well, just in case we've missed some angles, but let's get into the update. We have blue skies today for the update, which is nice. Nice to see their coasters. Whilst they have the same support colour, obviously they will be racing. And we have a red and blue side. With the station taking shape and lots of work going on. They are busy back at work. They will have had a break over the Christmas period, but we haven't been here in a good few weeks to check it out. I think this is my favourite view because the spikes will be at the back here, and you're going to come whizzing through the station and out side by side and then going in completely different directions before meeting again and seeing who wins the race. There's definitely some more track up since we were last here, so let's go around the corner, see if we can get some more close-ups. Absolutely loving some of the support structures we're getting to see this year. With this in Hyperia, these dual ones. I think they're just so clever the way it's all designed, to be honest. So more track has gone in down here, particular station detail as well. With the orange trim. It's actually really peculiar because a lot of the rides at Legoland you can't see. Maybe if you stand right at the top on the entrance and look down you can pinpoint a couple, but generally as you walk around here now, you know, you can only see the rides that are in sort of the vicinity of here. Where Mini Figure Speedway you can see from quite a lot of areas of the park because it's on the hill and it's rising up. However, to get a good view of it through the trees is actually still quite difficult. So you can see parts of it, which is great, and as we pointed out, you know, the station area is coming along nicely. The track doesn't look too far. There's a little piece down the bottom which needs doing, but not too far from being complete this side, and then it's just the spikes the other side to do, which is both spikes in fairness. As we said, we're not expecting this one to open until May time. We're going to try and get you some more views now from just around the corner. We do want to try and get you some different views of this coaster. This is the one from Miniland. You can see the top point where it'll race over. As we said, a lot of work has gone on the station since we last here, including a bit of colour as well. So we can see orange looks like it's going to be the primary with the blue. Blue being the support structures, orange being the trim, and indeed the station fences. So you can see some of the roof has been installed over the top. Whether or not there'll be sides, I imagine there will be. We'll wait and see. There's been some woodwork going on the slide. There was someone here fixing them just a minute ago, because obviously this area is closed, which is probably good if it had got icy, to be honest with you. And the views from up here are bare minimal. So there we go, that's our update from inside the park. We're going to head out now to the car park and see if there's any more tracks still to come in. Here we are at some of the track for Mini Figure Speedway. You can see this is the top piece, look. We did it with Jumanji as well, we got to touch the top piece of Mandrill Mayhem. But just look at some of the track in all its glory. And some of the supports as well. I mean, look at this piece, look. We're going to get a close-up of this, I think. So there is quite a lot to still go on site. Quite a lot to go up as well. So again, when we talk about opening times for these, you can kind of see, again, this one isn't beginning of the season. We're obviously not going to go into the area. We're staying behind the fences. But we did want to get a closer look, so let's get you some close-ups now of the track that remains outside. And of course here is the other end piece here. So we've got end pieces here, end pieces down there. It certainly won't be long until we see those. I think it looks like wheel assemblies on here to go on as well. Right, let's get some close-ups. We have stair pieces, handrails, all very important in the scheme of things. What would look like air gates down this end, and some of the track. As we said, these are the end pieces of one of the spikes. We can see there is a fence here. We're not the other side of the fence. Some of the supports, and we did send a video as well. I mean, some of the supports we've appreciated this year. Look at these, look. Look at this one. What is not to like about that? Some of the curved pieces. Number correctly so you know where they go. I'm going to have a look at one of the air gates. There it is. The all-important stairs and staircases. See the angles in which they're shipped in and sort of how they're put together. It's fascinating to see. Quite a few big curves as well down here. And we said there's a few pieces to go. There is a few pieces to go. You can see a fair amount of straights and certainly curved bits which will go into the spikes. As we come round and have a look at these pieces around here. As we said before, all these are numbered, lettered. All these are as well. Look at this, look. You'll never see this piece again until the coaster comes out. It just looks fantastic, it really does. And these pieces are obviously part of the same turn as they gleam in the sun. And then back to the end pieces. When I say end pieces, it's going to be end pieces and pieces leading up to the end as well. There seems to be a lot of work still ongoing on the hill, so I'm not entirely sure which parts will be done first, but I'm guessing the rest of the installation of this will be done before we see the spikes at the back. And we'll get a final look at this blue piece as well, as we're now in angle with it. Love coaster construction. Mini Figure Speedway is going to shape out to be a real surprise, I think. 2 boomerangs, racing ones as well, a lovely theme. It's going to be bright colour, which we also like, and it's coming in 2024. So it's our first update for 2024. The park is now closed. If you've enjoyed this video, please drop it a like, it means the world to us. But from Legoland Windsor and Mini Figure Speedway, I hope you've enjoyed the update. We'll see you soon.